Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be doing a Sunday shout out. Doing this again for you guys because a lot of new small YouTubers out there and they need the support. Okay, so I know I had not been doing this type of video in a while. I did stop for a minute and I am really excited to bring this back for you guys because I really do want to help y'all out to grow your YouTube channel. I know it's a lot of new subscribers on here and a lot of new small YouTubers out there need support. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm so excited to bring this back for you guys. First off, hi, my name is Hakima. I do lots of vlogs and fashion content. I might be some random content even now and then on my YouTube channel. You'll probably see me doing action videos, or you'll probably see me doing like a whole other type of challenge video on my channel. But yeah, I like to switch things up on my channel to see what y'all like to watch, or I do whatever, trying to see something different in my channel. Here's the comment shout out on my screen right here. As you can see, thank you all so much for subscribing to my channel, and I can see new subscribers on my channel. Hey y'all, I know it's been a minute, but I try to get back in my groove of uploading, posting. So yeah, just bear with me please because I am busy and I don't want to say too much because there will be like a whole another vlog. I am doing a visual diary on my channel, like the visual diary, upgrading myself. Well, I don't know what the title yet, but I want to do it because I don't want y'all to be on my journey. So yeah, I'm doing that, and y'all need to stay tuned for that vlog. Sunday shout out goes to Catherine. Thank you so much, Catherine, for letting me know that you want a channel shout out. She had voted for us on my Instagram. If y'all didn't know, I do a poll on my Instagram like who want a Sunday shout out or who don't. And she the first one picked it. Okay, she beat all y'all. So make sure that y'all keep up my content on Instagram and follow me on Instagram as KimSilas-18. And yeah, so pretty much Catherine do vlogs. She do like a day in my life vlog, with teens, morning with teens, night with teens. She do college vlog, a day in my life as a student. Student, like, to me, college vlogs is very popular now. I have been watching it lately, like student diaries, college, a day in my life. I will do like that type of video, and she done a lot of those. So yes, y'all should go to her channel right now. I really love her videos a lot. It's very calming to watch, and she would say what is her life is up to, and she probably give you advice. You know what I mean? That's her videos is and all. Like, y'all literally should subscribe to her and support her and give her a lot of love. So yeah, that pretty much it for the Sunday shout out. I just want to say thank you all so much for staying here on my channel. Like I say, more content is coming soon. Just bear with me please. But yeah, a lot of new things coming in my life, and I am really excited and nervous, ain't gonna lie, but I'm not gonna stop until I will reach the top. I always say that when I was little. There's a lot of stuff that I want to do and reach my goals for on YouTube, on every platform, but my main goal is on YouTube. Like, my main goal on YouTube is hit 2K subscribers, and I'm not gonna stop doing YouTube. I was thinking about it, stop doing YouTube, but no, I'm sorry, I can't. I really love editing and making content and be creative. That's my favorite thing to do right now. I am doing like a life update for you guys. That's coming up very soon. They'll be in my vlog, my visual diary. Like I said, a lot has happened. Okay, and A lot has happened. Okay, so like I might got a new job. I might have a new job. I am really focused on my fashion, sketches, designs, dancing. What else I am focused on? On my gain weight journey. Not gain weight journey. I would say working out, try to be healthy and gain weight. Yeah, it's a lot has happened for me, and I want to share it with you guys. But I want to share it on the blog, the visual.we. Okay, I still trying to think what the title should be, but just look out for it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure that y'all follow all my platforms: TikTok, Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter. And make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And comment down below if you want a certain shout out or a channel shout out or a comment shout out. Just comment down below and please let me know, because that's really be helpful a lot. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all had a wonderful, beautiful day. See ya. See ya.